Ginang White here for our morning ramble. I have been rambling all week this week, and finally I am able to record myself and update you about what I have been up to for the past few days. So napaka-busy ng week ko na to because there's a lot of things that I had to do, not only in terms of work but also with the credentialing classes that I'm completing. On top of that, I had to attend my classes twice a week for my credentialing, and then this week is the first week that I have to meet with all my intern teachers that I coordinate with, dahil sila po ay kukuha ng mga ng license to teach. So prior for them to get their credential, they have to turn in what we call a performance assessment, and they have to turn that in by June 10. So that was my week, and finally I'm able to record. There's a lot of things that I had to take care of pagdating sa job ko as an instructional coach, and at the same time I also lead our design thinking program. So it is very important to stay on top, otherwise magkakapatong-patong lahat ng aking trabaho in terms of work. So I have to catch up. So which is why hindi ako nakapag-record and nakapag-post sa channel ko all week, because of the fact that my task got piled up. Not because I was procrastinating, but because I had a lot of things that was given to me last minute. That's okay. I think part of it is that because I don't teach in the classroom, syempre I have to be open, lalo na if there's work to be done. So today hopefully it's gonna be a chill day, but I think I'm more of doing logistics on our upcoming competition for design thinking, and as well as as well as our event for our school, a school-wide event that I'll be facilitating and planning. So wish me luck today. Hopefully it'll be fun. And today also I will be attending the 20th year anniversary of my previous school at Magnolia Science Academy. I'm sure a few years back napanood nyo yung aking morning broadcast, Donuts in the Morning, with Magnolia Science Academy. So shout out to MSA. I can't wait to see all my previous colleagues and also my previous bosses. So mamaya po yan, later on at 5 in the afternoon, I'll be attending a gala. So can't wait for that. So here's my morning ramble today, guys. Have a good day. This is Ginang White, Morning Ramble. Bye.